Alright, so this is our AHL starter solenoid, which apparently is something also that can get burnt out on these. And if you didn't already know, we bought a go-kart for cheap. It had some issues, and so I decided to take it on as a project and fix it. So I bought all new electronics for it, just so that we were starting from a good spot. Well, this looks like it's got nice, good connections. The epoxy's good. The welds are good. Or not the welds, but you know, the terminals and everything are good. So it looks like it has everything we need. Got a yellow with a red stripe, and then this other color. And so that's
green with red, and then yellow with red.
Yellow with red and green with red. So I'm colorblind, so got my assistant helping me out. We'll have to look at the wiring diagram, but that should only snap in one way, and we should be good to go.
Cool.
All right, thank you.